What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. It's time for another food review. And if you can see from the back behind me, we are sitting outside of DQ and we are checking out DQ's new seasonal flavors for fall. We left the pumpkin pie one off because I've done that one already. This is the strawberry chocolate Ghirardelli, I believe.
Yes.
Right, mystery guest?
Chocolate strawberry dipped. It's like a dipped strawberry.
Okay. This
Ghirardelli.
is the hot cocoa
Oreo
blizzard. And this is the Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard. So first we're gonna try the strawberry. There we go. The dipped strawberry Ghirardelli.
Don't let that blow away.
You can taste the strawberry. I didn't get any of the chocolate. Let me try the chocolate. It's got like dark chocolate pieces in it. That's pretty good. It's not like over the top strawberry flavor. It's not like crazy strawberry, but it's good. All right. Next, we're gonna try the Oreo hot cocoa. Oreo hot cocoa. You can see the Oreo pieces in the ice cream.
And they even put whipped cream on top, like hot cocoa.
Right. I know. I was just thinking that myself. Pretty good. Way to go, mystery guest. I love the Oreo in the blizzard because you get those crunchy Oreo pieces with the creamy ice cream. Such a great texture, and it's chocolate. It's really good. And last but not least, Snickerdoodle cookie dough. All right. Okay. Wow.
By far, that's the one I want the most, so don't eat the most.
I had a feeling that was what you were going to say. The cinnamon on this is really prominent. I mean, you can hit that cinnamon, punches you right in the mouth. There's giant pieces of cookie dough in there. You can bite into them. They're chunky. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give the Oreo hot cocoa a 10 out of 10. I'm giving the Snickerdoodle, for its amazing cinnamon flavor, a 9 out of 10. And I'm giving the strawberry chocolate Ghirardelli an 8 out of 10. So it's hot cocoa, Snickerdoodle, Ghirardelli. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video is coming out. And remember, before you take the first bite, you gotta stuff it in your eye. So good. We are out.